slide up. And forward again. Back. Kick. Slide back. Ready. Forward back. Go. And go back. And forward again. 1, 2. Kick. And back and back. Kick. Ready. Slide back. Once again. Okay, don't put it here at the back. Because when you kick, like this. In here, you will kick easily. Okay, ready? Go forward, back. Look in front only. Go. Okay, slide back. And back. Don't put at your foot when you do slide forward. Okay, ready? Forward, back. Kick. Ready, go back. Ready. Move more on this side. Ready. Go forward. Back. Kick. Ready. Go back. Back. Ready. Forward. Back. Kick. Ready. Go back. Ready. Go back. Back. Go forward. Back. Kick. Ready. Go back. Back. Close your hands. Go forward. Back. Kick. Ready. Higher more. Stay back. And again, same side. Okay, ready. Forward. Back. Go. Don't make it out. In. Coming from the side. Coming from the center only. Okay, ready, go back. Ready, forward. Back. Kick. Yeah, like that. Ready. Back. Go forward. Back. Kick. Good. Ready. Ready. Align on your solar plexus so you punch. Okay, then the low block must be here. Lower. Okay. Facing down. Ready, the one that you punch, put it up, left hand up, right hand down, facing down. Same as number 4, you will be adding a punch. You will stop also. And the punch only. Okay, ready? 5, block, lower more. Where's the pulling arm? On the side, and punch up. Okay, this is Are Maki, then Montong Jergi. Okay, Montong Jergi is a punch, middle punch. Okay, this time Montong Maki or middle block. Okay, the preparation must be here. Run left hand up, facing outside. Yeah. Okay, align on your ear. Close that. Put some power. Should be not bending. Relax only. Not so intense. Okay? Relax then intense when you block. Not so power. Relax. Okay, ready? Prepare. 1. Align on your shoulder. Shoulder level. Okay, ready? The one that you block is straight. Then right hand up. Not so wide. Ready? 2. Ready? Then right hand straight. Then left hand up. 3. Straight, right hand up, same as number 4 in Are Maki. Okay, you will be adding a punch. Okay, when you block, then a punch. Okay, ready? Right hand block, left hand punch. Okay, the one that you punch. Okay, right hand straight, then left hand up. Outside. Or may you call this one Horseback riding stance, okay? Ready. Then, ready, prepare. Left hand up, right hand down. Aremaki. What's the preparation of Aremaki? The lower one. Yeah, ready. Go. One. Block. Lower. Lower. Other arm. Ready. Prepare. Right hand up. Right hand up. Left hand down. 2. Go. Block. Ready. Okay, left hand up. Right hand down. Then right down. Okay, 3. 3. Up. Wait, side. Up. Ready. Ready, but without explanation. Perseverance.
Self-control. That's a minus.
That's a slash only. That's the last one. There's an I in front.
Spirit.
Spirit.
Spirit.